How to create a perfect business strategy. Picture yourself as a budding entrepreneur, eager to set sail on the seas of commerce. Before you hoist the sails, you need a sturdy map to guide your ship through the waves. That's precisely what a business strategy is. It's your compass, your roadmap, your guiding star. It shows you where you want to go and how to navigate the challenges along the way. So, let's embark on this journey together and unravel the mysteries of crafting a robust business strategy. Imagine you're sitting down with a group of eager learners, ready to absorb the wisdom of entrepreneurship from a seasoned guide. First and foremost, we must understand the essence of our business. What is its purpose? What are its core values? What lofty goals do we aspire to achieve? These questions form the bedrock upon which our strategy is built. Whether we aim to provide premium luxury goods or offer essential community services, clarifying our business's identity is paramount. Once we've established our business's essence, it's time to distill it into a concise mission statement. Think of it as the heartbeat of your enterprise, a pulsating rhythm that resonates with everyone involved. Crafting a compelling mission statement not only clarifies your purpose, but also serves as a rallying cry for your team and a beacon for potential customers. Now let's talk about adaptability. Just as a ship adjusts its course to weather-changing winds, our strategy must remain flexible in the face of shifting tides. External factors like new regulations, technological advancements, or economic fluctuations can alter the business landscape in the blink of an eye. Therefore, regular review and adjustment of our strategy are imperative to stay ahead of the curve. Next on our voyage is the exploration of our business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, commonly known as a SWOT analysis. Like intrepid explorers charting uncharted territories, we must meticulously survey our internal capabilities and external challenges. By leveraging our strengths, mitigating our weaknesses, seizing opportunities, and fortifying against threats, we chart a course towards sustainable success. Ahoy! Now we sail into the turbulent waters of competition. In a vast ocean teeming with rivals, how do we distinguish ourselves? While we may lack the financial clout to compete on price with industry giants, we can carve out our niche by offering something unique. Perhaps it's a personalized service tailored to our customers' needs or an innovative approach that sets us apart. By understanding our competitors' moves and positioning ourselves strategically, we can navigate the competitive currents with finesse. But wait, there's more. As we chart our course, we must carefully evaluate every option against our strategic compass. It's like sifting through a treasure trove, selecting gems that align with our overarching goals. Whether it's expanding our product line, tapping into niche markets, or enhancing customer service, each decision must harmonize with our strategic vision. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of crafting a business strategy, let's not forget the human element. At its core, entrepreneurship is about serving people, understanding their needs, solving their problems, and enriching their lives. By fostering genuine connections with our customers and communities, we not only build loyalty, but also create a ripple effect of positive impact. Now, let's pause for a moment of reflection. Imagine standing at the helm of your ship, surveying the vast expanse of possibilities stretching out before you. With a clear vision, a steadfast resolve, and a well-crafted strategy as your compass, you're ready to navigate the choppy waters of entrepreneurship with confidence. So, in conclusion, creating a business strategy is akin to charting a course through uncharted waters. It requires vision, adaptability, and a keen understanding of the ever-changing business landscape. By clarifying our purpose, evaluating our resources, seizing opportunities, and navigating competition with finesse, we set sail toward success. So hoist the sails, steady the helm, and embark on this thrilling voyage of entrepreneurship with courage and conviction. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.